You want to line up that cable right to under your chest. Grab the handle. Beautiful. Take one step back right there. Keep your arm straight out on your side. You don't want to keep your arm inward or outward. It's going to be straight by your side. Shoulder back and down. You can take that other hand and put it right on your hip, right there. Bend your knees slightly, stick your butt out, chest up so we have the back nice and straight, abs are tight. Now, curl that handle right into by your ear, right there. Flex that bicep. It's going to work nice and hard on this exercise. You don't want to bring your arm down all the way. If you bring it down all the way, it takes pressure off of the bicep, puts pressure in the elbow. So you want to go right before locking. So bring it in, squeeze that bicep, come down. Right before it's about to lock out, bam, right there. Now bring it in. You don't want to move your arm up and down as well. Notice how he's nice and steady. Wrists are perfectly straight. He has a nice strong grip. Elbow is pointing right down at the floor. You don't want to have your elbow out or in. Right down at that floor. Chest up, bending knees. Breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in. His face is nice and straight. That bicep's getting cooked. It's going to grow overnight.